Hi guys, so yes, we're gonna get into the video. How are you doing? Thank you very much for coming back. So eyebrow, yes, what to get for your eyebrow, and also very important when you're gonna do makeup. Now I have the eyebrow brushes, yes, from Urban Studio, and it is the Lavish, yes, the Lavish collection, and I have the Kiss strip lash adhesive, and I also have this large shadow brush, and I have this Tattoo Studio you can do use for your lip, your eyebrow arch. So let's start with this since the box is destroyed. So there, I'm getting it to really set it so you can see. Yeah guys, it is 376 medium brown, and I will not, there we go. I've never used it before, by the way. You see it's cracking up there, but I've never ever used it. But it's in my package. I did a short, so these stuff were packed in a bag, you know, in a bag there, and yeah, in another bag. So I mean, I've been just praying and asking God for some things, what to do next, and this bag was in another bag. So a lot of stuff in this bag, along with even the glue gun. I had so plans and stuff like that. Even this year, I said this is a year. From 2019, I was going to do make a bang head cap, or a bang, something that just to put a bang. You don't have to do your complete hair, but you're going on the road and you just want to look kept. Yeah, I was planning on, so that is it. So guys, this bag is filled with stuff that I had before. So here is it. Go back to the makeup. So this is something that you can very much get. The brand, by the way, is very good. You won't lose out. You might want to go for a darker shade. For me, I like to mix, so I will have, this is very light. But yeah, I'm not gonna put my hands in it because my hands are not completely clean. But you can see I've never used it, guys. And I said I didn't even remember about it for years now, almost 2 years. And it comes with a brush. Maybe that is in the bag, but it comes with a brush. Let me go in. I have to look if I see it. It comes with a brush. Okay, there we go. So it comes with a edge brush that you can do. This, guys, is very flat, so your eyebrows will be on fleek, and a spoolie at the end. This is a shadow brush. You're gonna need it, and this is a large one, by the way, by Wet n Wild, another good brand, affordable. And you guys can see it's a long time saying I knew my buy with no money in there right now, but I'm so happy. And this is a lash glue. You can get it from Kiss. It's clear. There are times when it will say dark, but this one is clear. So of course you can go ahead and get this done, and it show you give you directions and instructions as well to go forward. This is the love. Before I use my brush, I always go ahead and clean them up. So yeah, I will definitely get that done. So yeah, here you go. You have the flat with the spoolie. This one, I love it. This is a spoolie, and this is the angle brush. You guys, I love this. I love it. And this one here you can use for shadow or to blend when you're blending the concealer out. This one is good as well at the corners. Or I love this, and the feel is so good. There's no number on it, so I can't tell you what number, but maybe if you buy it will tell you maybe on the package. Yeah, and I love that it comes with an instruction. I like to see brows defined very well. The front right there, fade out. I hate to see when it's, the definition. You can see that you draw the brow. It's supposed to look as neutral as possible, not natural, but try to replicate your brow itself. So feeding, and the darker you will use at the end, and the lighter part you use, or you can even use one and then just use the same that you use in the powder to just go in front of it, as I will demonstrate one day when I'm doing my eyebrows. So thank you very much for watching, guys. These are some good savings, and yes, I'm so happy I was, I will just follow the Holy Spirit and just go and clean out. And I found a lot of stuff, guys, a lot of stuff. I got this as well. This girl, I went to the supermarket, I tell you, that long time, and I got this. Something else is in it as well. So see you in the next video. Get your makeup and the lashes. Until then, if you'd like to see more content on this channel and to follow me as I grow on this channel, you can always subscribe, leave a comment, and yes, of course, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you very much. See you in the next upload now.